everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace a toilet handle. This will be a flush lever tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a toilet handle, otherwise known as a flush lever. When you push it down, it flushes the toilet. Now, what I've done is I've removed the lid of the toilet tank, and that exposes the entire inside of the toilet tank. It's actually really easy to replace one of these. It's super easy, and you pretty much don't even need any tools. Okay, so if you take a look, the lever right here, the handle I should say, is attached to this lever over here, and that is attached to a chain that is attached to the flapper valve down there. The first thing that we want to do is disconnect the chain, okay? Now, what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to actually zoom in. Let me just zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, let's get some nice video editing effects right there. Boom! High-tech video editing. Let's zoom in. There's actually a chain right here, and it usually just slides off. You just need to make sure that there's enough slack. So I'm going to just let it rest there, and I'm going to slide the chain off. If you can see my hand right there, hopefully. And I'm just going to let the chain sit right there in the toilet. It's all good. And I'm just going to dry my hand. Just give me a quick moment. So right now, as you can see, we've removed the chain, and there's nothing on that. So let's zoom out. High-tech video editing again, okay? So the only thing that's holding the toilet handle in place is this little nut over here. Now this is actually interesting because you screw this in place in reverse. So to actually loosen it, you're gonna screw it, you're gonna sort of unscrew it the way that you would regularly tighten something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unscrew this right here. Just like that. And you can use a wrench if you need to, but this is not super tight. So I'm just gonna unscrew it like this. Okay, you can see right here. And when it's completely off, you can see I can just do that. Okay, remove the nut that's holding it in place, and I can remove the actual toilet handle right here. So then you get this toilet handle, and you can dispose of it, and you want to put your new toilet handle in place. If you take a look at the toilet handle, it actually has a square shape right over there, and there's a square shape on the bowl over here. It's a square shape. So you're going to get your new toilet handle, and you're going to install it in basically the reverse order, okay? So I'm going to take, I'm reinstalling the original one because this is perfectly fine, but you're going to get your new toilet handle, slide it through there, give it a little turn, just like that, okay? And you want to put it in place with the square lined up with the square. Just like that. So the square is lined up with the square. Make sure that it's in the right orientation for flushing, okay? So it's completely horizontal, and I would flush it like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this piece back on, and remember, when you tighten it, you're twisting it in the reverse way that you would regularly tighten something. So just like that, we're going to twist it in the reverse way. I don't think I got in the threads. There we go. It's on the threads now. And I mean, like I said, you can use a wrench if you want to, but usually, in my opinion, just finger tightening it is more than enough. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get that chain that we dropped down, and we're just going to make sure there's enough slack. And I'm not changing the chain. I mean, you might have to depending on the new handle that you're putting in, but in this case, I don't have to change the chain. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the same spot like that. Okay, then when you're done, you just want to flush it to make sure it works properly. Just like that. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.